welcome to our math classroom for junior high schools. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share as well with your colleagues. In our lesson today, we are looking at prime numbers. You may ask yourself, what is the importance of prime numbers? Or what at all are this whole prime numbers? Prime numbers are very, very important in our daily life, especially in information technology. Prime numbers has been very useful and it has made a lot of impact in information technology, like cryptography. Let's talk about, you use phone, right? You do text your friend do text you back. All this kind of encryption that makes you text freely with someone not reading your text message wherever they are. They are the powerful tool of prime numbers, which does all this magic. Now let's come to the main topic, what these prime numbers are. We are saying that prime number is a number divided by itself and 1. A number divided by itself and 1. What it also means is that it has only 2 factors. And these 2 factors are what? The 1 and the number itself. And the number itself. Another important thing you must note is that it is what? Greater than 1. Why am I saying it is greater than 1? Because we are saying that it has what? 2 factors. What are the 2 factors? The number itself and 1. What are the factors of 1 here? It is 1 equals to 1 times 1. What do you see? 1 has what? The number itself and 1. But does 1 have 2 factors? No. Because you realize that the only number here is what? 1. It's just 1. 1 times 1. So it's 1 has only what? 1 factor. That is the reason why 1 is not a prime number. And we are saying that prime numbers should be greater than 1. Let's take a number like 2. If you take a number like 2, what are the factors of 2? It is 1 times 2, which is giving us what? 2. So that the factors of 2 are what? 1 and 2. It means that what happens? The number can be divided by what? Itself and 1. Can 2 be divided by 3? No. So then 2 is what? A prime what? Number. So how then do we find prime numbers? So let's look at the number. So we know what prime numbers are. It has only 2 factors. So now let's find the prime numbers from between 1 and what? 100. So let me write with me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you write with me 1 to 100 and let's see. Okay, so I will write 1 to 50, but you'll be writing, pause the video and write 1 to 100. And let's find the prime numbers from 1 to 100. Good for writing 1 to 100. Now let's look at how do I find my prime numbers. So there's a method you could use in finding prime numbers. And this method was generated by a Greek mathematician called Eratosthenes in 230 BC. So that is what we are going to use. We've already established that 1 is not what? A prime what? Number. So we already know, so let me cross out 1. That 1 is not a prime number, but 2 is what? A prime number. So let me circle what? 2. Because the factors of 2 are what? 1 and what? Itself. Now let's come to 3. 3. If you take 3, what are the factors of 3? You realize that the factors of 3 are what? 1 and what? 3. So 3 has what? 2 factors only. So 3 is a prime what? Number. But let's take the multiples of 3. If you take the multiples of 3, what do you have? 6. The next one is what? 6. You realize that 6 has how many factors? It has 1, it has 2, it has 3, and it has 6 itself. It means that it is more than what? 2. So 6 can be what? A prime number. So if 3 is a prime number, we want to cross out all the multiples of what? 3. It means that all the multiples of 3 are not what? Prime numbers, because you are going to find 3 in the multiple and the number and 1. That alone disqualifies it. So now let's cross out all the multiples of 3. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45. Okay, once again, 48. Okay, so you realize that all the multiples of what? 3 are not what? Prime what? Numbers. So we cross them what? Out. I forgot to mention 2 as well. So let's see for 2. We've already established 2 is a prime number. But let's look at the multiples of 2. The multiples of 2, 4. What are the factors of 4? 4 has what? 1. It has 2. It has what? 4 as well. So it is more than what? 2 factors. It can be a prime what number. So aside 2, all the multiples of 2 are not what? Prime what? Numbers. That is what? What it means is what? Even numbers can't be considered as what? Prime numbers. So now let's cross that one out as well. So you are doing it to 100. 2, 4, 6 is already gone. 8, 10, 12 is already gone. 14, 16, 18 is gone. 20, 22, 24 is gone. 26, 28, 30 taken care of. 32, 34, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48 already taken care of. 50. So if you wrote 1 to 100, it means your next one is going to go 52, 54. You cross all words out. All the multiples of 2 and all the multiples of words, 3 words out. Now let's come to the next number, which is what? Our next number is what? 5. 5. are the factors of 5? It's just 1 times 5. 1 and 8 so. So it has what? Just 2 factors. So 5, let's circle that. It is what? A prime what? Number. But now let's look at the multiples of 5. If you look at the multiples of 5, let's say 10, which is even. 10 already is what? Even. We have 2 times 5. Then we have 1 and 10. So you realize that 10 has more than what? 1 word, 2 words, factors. So all the multiples of 5 are not prime numbers. So let's look at it. So aside 5, all multiples of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 is not a multiple. It's not a prime number. 30 taken care of. 35 is not a prime number. 40 taken care of. 45 taken care of. 50 taken care of. So your next one is so keep crossing them out. That is smart of you. So you realize just 2, 1 and 8 cell. So we know 7 is what? A prime word number. Then we keep repeating all the multiples of 7 can't be words, prime words, numbers, because they are going to have more than. Now 8 already, we are saying it can be, because 8 is even an even number. So all the multiples of 8 are building up towards even numbers. So you have even number. 4 is gone. So you continue. 32, it's gone. So you continue doing that so you get towards 10 as well. 10 already is not a prime number, so it means that all the multiples of 10 are not what? Prime what? In 17, then we have 19, so we have this. If you continue, you realize that is a prime number. 9 what do you think is our next prime number? 41. 41. Is a multiple of what? 7 of what? From 1 to 100. If you continue, you realize that you have 53, 50, 1 to 100, 59, 60. Okay, let's write the rest. 83. 83. So these are the prime numbers between 1 and 100. Thank you, and till our next lesson, stay safe. Bye.